Hi guys, and today I am doing a video about me, and I'm going to do a quiz afterwards to prove how much you learn about me in this lesson. Not this lesson, but yeah, because I know everybody hates school. Yeah, so what we do is, my name is Lizzie. Right, my channel is called LIETD, and that's the name of my friends. Well, not my friends, but my special friends. It's Lizzie, me, Isabel, Eden, Tanya, Daniela, and that's the 5 letters. And then the 234 is the. Don't know what the 234 means. Yeah. My bestest friend is Eden. Yeah. So, yeah, and my eyes are blue. My hair is blondie brown. I'm a bit tan. The first holiday I went on was Ireland. Yes, now you know all about me. I want to know about you. Okay, now I'm going to do the quiz. So I'm just going to add some questions to the quiz right now. And you have to answer them, baby. Recording.